Is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master worth your money? Or are there better options available? The CyberPowerPC Gamer Master is a solid gaming PC that offers impressive performance at an affordable price. With a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 25 reviews, it's clear that this system has resonated with many users. Let's take a closer look at its key specifications. The AMD Ryzen 5 5500 3.6 GHz 6-core processor provides fast processing speeds and effortless multitasking, making it perfect for gamers who want to play multiple games simultaneously. Paired with the AMD B550 chipset, this system offers excellent overall performance. The graphics card is another highlight of the Gamer Master, featuring the AMD Radeon RX 6500 XT 4GB graphics. While not as powerful as some high-end options, this card still delivers smooth frame rates and impressive image quality in modern PC games. The inclusion of a tempered side case panel, custom RGB lighting, and keyboard and mouse add to the overall gaming experience. One of the standout features of the Gamer Master is its connectivity options. With 4 USB-A 3.2 ports, 4 USB-A 2.0 ports, 1 LAN port, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, and 7.1 channel audio, this system has everything you need to stay connected and entertained. In terms of design and build quality, the Gamer Master's tempered side case panel provides a sleek and premium look that's hard to ignore. The custom RGB lighting adds an extra layer of visual flair, making the system stand out from the crowd. Display quality is also noteworthy, with the inclusion of a 500GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD providing lightning-fast storage speeds. This ensures that games load quickly and smoothly, without any lag or delays. So, how does the Gamer Master perform in real-world use? The answer is overwhelmingly positive. With its powerful processor and dedicated graphics card, this system handles demanding games with ease. Whether you're playing at high settings or pushing the limits of your favorite titles, the Gamer Master delivers impressive performance. Connectivity is also seamless, thanks to the inclusion of multiple USB ports, a LAN port, and wireless connectivity options. This makes it easy to stay connected with friends and family while gaming or working on content. One potential limitation of the Gamer Master is its graphics card. While it's still a capable performer, it may not be enough for those who want the absolute best frame rates and image quality. However, this is a trade-off that many users will be willing to make for the overall value and performance offered by this system. In conclusion, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master is an excellent choice for gamers on a budget or those looking for a solid all-around PC. With its impressive performance, sleek design, and comprehensive connectivity options, it's hard to argue with its value proposition. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find additional information in the description. As always, thanks for watching.